This is a demonstration of the free web page cloner you can get from clonefunnels.com. Now first I want to tell you why you would want to use this tool. If you are building your pages with a funnel builder, an online funnel builder like ClickFunnels, Kartra, Kajabi, or anything else, you're not going to rank very well on the search engines for your site. So what you want to do is host the content of your pages on your own hosting, on your own site, where all of the code, all of the HTML is on your own actual website. That way you can rank better on the search engines. So for long-term success of your business, you'd want to make sure you're optimized for SEO. This tool gives you the ability to easily do that, to put the pages you've built elsewhere on your own hosting, fully optimized for SEO for the long-term success of your business. And that's why you would want to use this free web page cloner from clonefunnels.com. Now you have two options here. You can clone the web page and import it to your own hosting, or you can clone the web page and download the files to upload to your own hosting later. It's up to you. So if you want to clone the web page and import it right to your own hosting, you can click on this button that says clone web page and import. And if you want to have an image generated on social media, like on Facebook, when people post your URL, you can upload an image here, and it's going to put the image in this line URL of image to generate on social media posts, or you can manually put a URL in right here. So the other options here, of course, you want to put in the page you want to clone. I can just go to any page that I've already built. You can go to any ClickFunnels, Kartra, Kajabi, many others, and it's going to clone the web page exactly the way it looks on the online service. So let me just go to a random ClickFunnels page, and we'll just grab this and we'll just put this URL into this box. Now for the rest of this, you have the option to move the CSS to the style sheet. I always recommend you do this unless the page doesn't look exactly the same. If the page doesn't look exactly the same, you can turn this off. You can set this to no and do it again. But almost 99% of the time it's going to look exactly the same by removing the CSS from the page and putting it to an external style sheet. That's going to make the page load faster, and it's also going to help you with the search engine optimization to declutter the page and get rid of all the unnecessary stuff so that it can be scraped faster by Google bots and things like that. So now you have the option where you can put your SEO optimization for the title and the description. So you can put any title. I would want to make sure you put keywords in the title that match what's on the page, so you can get ranked on Google well. Same with the description. You want to put as many keywords as possible in the description. So you just put title, whatever you want to put for the title, and then keywords for description. And then if you generate an image on social media post, then it's going to put the URL right here. If you don't want to do that, you don't have to. It's optional. And then here you can write a file name. Again, you want to put something that's optimized for SEO, that matches what you're selling on the page. So you want to do that in your file name. So in this, I'll just put example to do this. And then I'm going to click clone web page and import to your own hosting. What this is going to do is download every image, JavaScript, CSS file, everything else on the page, and put it onto your own hosting so that your page is actually hosted on your own website, and you can rank better on the search engines with your page actually on your own hosting, on your own website, with all of the HTML code there so that Google can find it and get you ranked. That's why you'd want to use this free web page cloner that you can get at clonefunnels.com. Now, if you also want to save money and stop paying $97 to $297 a month for your funnel building service, you can actually import these pages right into an editor and use those with the drag and drop editor with the software that you can buy at clonefunnels.com. But this web page scraper and cloner is 100% free. You can get it at clonefunnels.com.